Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn how to update or change the admin password. As you all have seen in my previous video, whenever I used to access HEC or back office, I used to log in with admin Nimda credentials. Due to security reason, it is always good to change the default password of admin once we set up our Hybris. So let's see how to change or update the password. Let me quickly open my browser and access HAC. To access HAC, this is the URL. So if you are not aware of how to bring up this server, you can refer to my chapter 3 for Hybris B2C accelerator installation, or you can refer the above link. As you can see, my Hybris server is up, so that is the reason I'm able to access this HAC. So this is the login page of HAC, and admin is the username and Nimda is the default password once we do the Hybris setup. So you can see I have logged into the HAC, and this is the home page of Hybris administration console. Yeah, and to know more about HAC, you can refer to my chapter 4, or you can refer the link above. In that session, I have walked through this HAC, and in order to change the default password, we have to go under console and then impex import. So this is where we have to write a impex and then import to change the password of the admin. That is update employee. This is Hybris table. Under this UID, this will be always unique, so we have to give here unique equal to true, and then we have to update the password, so I will give the password attribute here and then I'll hit enter. So as we are changing for the admin employee, the UID will be admin, and then the password, whatever we want, we can change it over here. So as of now I will be giving hello 123, and then I will be clicking on validate content. So this will check the syntax of this particular impex, and then the next step is import content. Once you click on import content, it will process and then it will import it. Here as you can see, import finished successfully, which means it has updated our record. So now if we log out, right, then if we want to log in, we have to use the new password. If I use Nimda here now and click on login, you can see login failed, bad credential it will say. So now I will give the new password and then try to log in, that is hello 123, and then click on login. Now you can see, right, the password has been updated. In similar way we can check it for back office as well. So I will give admin and then try to give Nimda and check once. If we are able to log in, it will say wrong credentials. Now I will give hello 123 and then try to log in. Yes, now we can see it. We are able to log in into the back office with the new password. So this is how we have to update the password of the admin. So once we do the Hybris setup, it is advisable to change the default password of admin due to security reasons. That's it guys for this video. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.